Technology has completely changed how brands do business. Being tied down to a particular vision of how you made your money in the past definitely won't be the way that you'll succeed today. In the 1950s, an S&P 500 company had roughly a 60-year lifespan, while in 2019 it's been slashed to 15 years. So the big answer now is big data. So providing that you've got the right setup, you can use big data in order to help your business to break through any limitations to reach your true potential. Big data and artificial intelligence deliver clear, accurate predictions. Big data lowers the overhead costs of a company by 10%, and 59% intend to use big data in 2019. 94% of all businesses use unstructured data, so it's a growing market. Forrester research found the average company only uses 12% of the data they collect. This is because it's hard to know what's valuable and what isn't. This means that people have to rely on gut decisions. Data is confusing. Most leaders in business make decisions by guessing or using their gut. This means that they're either very lucky or they're very wrong. Companies pay for data that's out of date and overpriced. On the web, businesses measure the wrong metrics like page views and impressions. That's a real problem. Companies also forget that people are data. They rely too much on statistical information in order to make decisions about what they should be doing in the future. The problem with numerical data is that it signals what people do, not why they do it. The fifth problem is the median salary for a data scientist in 2019 is $180,000 to $250,000. So if you've got a team, then it's going to be at great expense, and really there must be a more cost-efficient way. 31% of all companies hope to use AI in 2019. Only 15% of enterprises use artificial intelligence, and 31% intend to incorporate it into the plans in 2019. The top performing companies said that they're more than twice as likely as their peers to be using AI technology for marketing, which was 28% versus 12%. Unsurprisingly, analysis of data is a key AI focus for businesses. Business leaders believe that AI is going to be fundamental in the future, with 72% viewing it as a business advantage. Of those who have an innovation strategy, 61% said they'll be using AI to identify opportunities in data that would otherwise be missed. And the only way that they can fix that is then by developing software. However, the average business cannot afford to develop artificial intelligence. The top performing companies said that they're more than twice as likely as their peers to be using AI technology for marketing. Unsurprisingly, analysis of data is a key AI focus for businesses. And semantic analysis and AI is a combination that is an absolute must-have. Nearly half of US adults said that they now use voice assistants to interact with smartphones and other devices. This includes the user looking for information on search engines like Google. When asked about expectations for marketing technology to have native AI capabilities, more than 50% of respondents said it was important or a must-have. Finally, the problem with big data is that it's only your data. Data paints a picture of who your customers are, but your data doesn't tell you how or why your competitors are really winning more business.